Today's video is brought to you in part by HelloFresh. Welcome to Dollar Tree. Prices are going up everywhere. Here's how you can still save. You don't want to miss today's video.
I've got elegant for you fall items, but first a practical item. This is a brand new product. This is a McCormick strainer. The McCormick brand at Dollar Tree is top tier. Everything in the kitchen section for the time being is still $1.25. This is great for small spaces and pasta dishes, and be sure to check out the cleaning section if you do nothing else from this video. These are all new product alerts. This mop system is awesome, and the best cleaner is still $1.25. Combine Dollar Tree essential oils with their LA's Totally Awesome streak-free cleaning vinegar. This stuff is great, and when combined, it also smells great. I love that this is a natural option, whether you have a spin mop or use this one. These little microfiber mop refills connect right to the broom handle, and for $10, you can have a complete cleaning system. I add hot water and a couple of cups of this cleaning vinegar, as well as 1 squirt of each of the essential oils, peppermint and tea tree. Dip your mop, and then wring out. This works beautifully and cleans my floors so well, and I promise this cleaner smells great. You've got to give this a try. You came to Doitonadime to truly save and see the new products. Welcome to the fall harvest section. Here are all of the new finds that caught my eye in store. I know it's early, but these things sell out really quickly, and I wanted to inspire you with just some simple ideas so you can think about what you want to do around your home.
Dollar Tree fall items are starting to roll out, and everything is $1.50. And I know that might feel a little bit disappointing, but there still are some good deals. I'm going to share with you what to buy, including what's behind you, because it went viral last year. Right here, these really beautiful crackle pumpkins. I really like this neutral color. I really like this green.
Here's a reminder, you don't need a lot to make a big statement. And I reuse my decor year to year. This pampas grass is brand new. I love these silver dollar leaves, and I layer these just a couple together, and I connect with a zip tie. I put in with my existing decor. These velvet pumpkins are a favorite. You know I have lots of thrifted items from my home. It's all thrifted and combined with fun Dollar Tree items. The ribbon this year was also so beautiful.
I am very candle picky, okay? But these all at $5 beat Hobby Lobby, they beat craft stores. This is one of my favorite scents, rustling leaves. Delicious. And I also love this one, and it sells out every year, the cashmere vanilla. When you see it in this pumpkin shape, this is $5. Notes of like cinnamon, a little bit vanilla, and like a bit of spice. So it has just like a really fragrant notes. $5 for 3 candles is still a really good deal. I am so excited to try these out. Yeah, they're like waxy too. This is really, really nice. This is a good deal.
This is a solid score, and I was truly impressed with the flicker on these candles. It looked amazing on our dining room table. I could transition from summer to fall so easily. And all of this was done with thrifted and Dollar Tree finds. Stay tuned for more new products in the catering section. Oh my gosh, but first,
today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh.
When it comes to beautiful tables, how about beautiful meals to save time and money? Having to meal plan, having food waste be gone. HelloFresh plans, shops, and delivers all the ingredients I need to cook delicious meals with high quality ingredients, including seasonal fresh produce, proteins that travel from the farm to my doorstep. These are creative, no waste meals that I don't have to think about. Choose from different options like Calorie Smart, Protein Smart, or meals that save you time. Having something already prepared in my fridge prevents me from ordering takeout last minute, and it's healthy and quality. This crunchy cheeseburger salad was delicious. The sauce was awesome. The step-by-step recipes come with pictures, making it so easy to follow. It's basically foolproof. And I am all about partnering with brands that give you free stuff. How about 10 free meals? Take advantage of HelloFresh's incredible offer by using my code DIMEFM for 10 free meals, plus free add-ons for life. $1 per item with active subscription. Free meals applied as discount on the first box. New subscribers only, varies by plan. Be sure to sign up today and click the link below, or use my code DIMEFM. You're busy enough. Your meals should be delicious, affordable, and easy.
Well, I'm going to show you the things that I really like, and that is this 3-tiered cake tray. This is perfect for little sweets for the holidays, and I love that this is only $2.
This is worth the price, in my opinion. This is so quality and probably one of my favorite new products that I've seen at Dollar Tree. I was thinking I could use this for Christmas, for fall, and yes, even birthday treats. I just turned 40, and so look how cool this turned out.
Party supplies, these are all still listed at $1.25. The balloons are a great deal here, but here is the secret deal. Come here. They have 48 balloon kits, and these balloon kits come with a strip, and they come with all different types of balloons. There's this one. They also have a pink one, which is really pretty, and they have a gold. Now, if you buy 2 of these kits, and if you buy one of these, fringe backdrop decoration for less than $20. You can have a gorgeous $300 balloon arch that is really easy to put together. Check it out.
In my area, buying a balloon arch is about $300, but this comes with a strip and all you have to do is blow up the balloons. I have a really affordable balloon blower-upper, as it were. Look how cool this looks. I thought for a baby shower, a wedding shower, anything, this looks amazing. Perfect for a 40th birthday. This is a new product and it beats Dollar General and Walmart's price. 2 $5 balloon packets and one $1.25 fringe. That's all you need. Just keep these items in your back pocket, okay? You might need them later. Brand new party bags as well. Lots of these look vintage. They are so elegant and all of this is still $1.25. There were lots of new products I wasn't expecting, like these pillar candles. That's definitely giving high end, as well as lots of fall decor that I hadn't seen at my store before. These candles were exceptionally cool. And yes, some of the prices are $5 to $7.
That's the thing with the price increases. For me, it's really slowed me down from buying excess clutter. I'm really thinking about my purchases and making sure what I'm getting is a good deal and it's something I'm gonna use and love. 2 amazing deals and they're still here, okay? These rugs are $5 each. This beats Dollar General and they are beautiful. I love this one for fall. And let's see, they have this accent rug too. Really pretty. The organizing containers are back and there's a couple that at $1.50 are still a way better price than they are at Walmart. I want to share with you some of my favorites. These square containers are nice and big. I love them. And they brought back these stacking containers in lots of colors. Let me show you how you use these.
Things are just so expensive right now, truly. And I just want to bring you the best deals at all times. So this is how I organize my craft room. If you're wondering how I store all of my flowers and florals for the different seasons, it's all from Dollar Tree. And that is how I do it.
And what you may not know is Dollar Tree has not yet raised the prices of the back to school items. And there are a few that actually beat Walmart. And yes, I know that there are deals at other stores that are like less than $1, 50 cents for a notebook. But here's the things at Dollar Tree you don't want to miss.
Oh my gravy, so many good finds here. But first,
I am all about convenience and good deals. These are still $1.25. These are toilet cleaning gels for inside of your toilet. And I'm super excited to try these toilet bowl cleaning strips. You put this in your toilet, then you scrub and flush. This is a great product too. Good one.
These gel cleaners were trending on Amazon for a while. They're kind of expensive, so I love to see this at Dollar Tree. But my favorite eco-friendly product is this $1.25 gem. It's septic safe and it's a lavender vanilla scent. It's these little strips. Remember those Listerine strips? Okay, it's kind of like that except for your toilet. Just hear me out. I tuck these in our downstairs bathroom. You toss these in the water and then
that's so cool!
It dissolves within about 20 seconds and then you just wash your toilet bowl like normal. It makes it so fast, no having to deal with bottles, and I like that it's really inconspicuous, especially for powder rooms. 10 out of 10 on this one.
Look for Cozy Place wax melts as well as this room spray. This actually smells delicious. They even have these little candles. This brand is fantastic.
And don't forget these essential oils, friends. I promise they are awesome. But back to the front of the store. Even if you're not in school, you've got to know about this.
Thumbs up for the teachers. Leave a comment below with who your favorite teacher was and why. I was a teacher for a decade. I appreciate so much what the teachers do. So it's cool to see that these are $1.25 and all of this organizing stuff is still $1.25. Though technically these are organizing items, they're still at a lower price point, which I love. We use these all over our house. Not only would this be great for movie night, but we have these in rolling caddies in our house. I'll be sure to link them below for all of the kids' art supplies. They're nice and sturdy and easy to tote around. Secret hack, awesome hack. These containers are really great for extra cords. I love them. And there's some killer deals that beat Walmart. Come here. When you know, these crayon pencil pouches are awesome. These are big and sturdy and they come in lots of different colors. I'm obsessed with these and I think they're gonna sell out really fast. All folders, all composition notebooks, note cards, pencils, you're gonna get a way better deal at Walmart.
For the most part, I would do my back to school shopping at Walmart now, but when it comes to teacher stuff, this is awesome at Dollar Tree.
I still wanna point out some of the deals in the book section. Check this out. There are Target books that ended up here. You can see like the Target sticker on the front. This is so cool. They also have children's books here, which are wonderful. You could add this to a gift closet. To save and to save big, the beauty aisle is still what's up. Everything here is still $1.25, at least for the time being. And this collagen peptide is a brand new product. This is a fantastic score. I'm super excited to try this. It was made and manufactured in the USA. They have a face toner here as well. This is brand new power toner.
In the kitchen section is actually where I have seen the most new products though, from chargers to plates to even name brand items that they brought to store. These Simply Essential pot protectors, as well as larger cutting boards. And I've also loved to see the tool section expand. This stuff is just as good as what you're finding at the hardware store. I am all about sharing with you new products that keep your life simple, beautiful, and clean on a budget.
Be sure to check out HelloFresh. It's in the description box and the pinned comment down below. Leave this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll see you soon.